Understanding Deep Learning AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves training artificial neural networks to recognize patterns and make predictions based on large sets of data. These neural networks are composed of layers of interconnected nodes that process information in a way that mimics the functioning of the human brain. The learning process in deep learning involves adjusting the weights and biases of these neural network connections in response to feedback from training data. This allows the network to become better at recognizing patterns and making accurate predictions over time. Deep learning has been used to achieve impressive results in a variety of tasks, such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even game playing. Some common types of deep learning models include convolutional neural networks, CNNs, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and generative adversarial networks, GANs. One of the key advantages of deep learning is its ability to learn features automatically from raw data, without the need for manual feature engineering. This makes it particularly useful in domains where the input data is complex and difficult to work with, such as images, audio, and text. However, deep learning also has its limitations. Training deep neural networks can be computationally expensive and require large amounts of data. Additionally, the black box nature of these models can make it difficult to understand how they are making their predictions, which can be problematic in certain applications. Overall, deep learning is a powerful tool for solving complex problems in a variety of domains, but it requires careful consideration of the specific problem and data at hand to ensure that it is the appropriate approach.